Let's quickly go over how to create and group contacts. Let's start with creating, moving, and deleting contacts. So of course you have your list of contacts over here on the left. And you want to add one more to it. So you come up here to New Contact button. Type in your contact. Then the email of this contact. And that's the basic information. You can add other things, obviously, save. And now we have a new contact that shows up in my contacts. Now you can add this contact to as many groups as you would like. In our case, we're just going to delete this contact. You can add a photo, but let's delete it. And now we're back to where we started. Now let's say you have all these contacts. You want to group them. So let's make a TRC group, for instance. So we want to make a Teacher Representative Council group. So let's go ahead and start with the names of those members. All right, so you can scroll. You can see here you can scroll through this little middle bar. And let's check Melanie. And let's go ahead and click David. And we continue to scroll over. There's Irene. You can go through. Let's go ahead, Jeff Gepner. And Kevin Curran. Now, we're going to add these to our TRC group. So we have 5 contacts, and we can add them en masse to that one group. And you can see if I click on TRC, you'll see those 5 contacts. You can select everything that shows up in this middle window or unselect all. Another way of doing this is if just typing in a name, so Paige, for instance, and I'm going to add her to the TRC as well. And let's go ahead and go with the RIST representative, Richard, and you can see his RIST and RISM show up. So we want to pick the RISM since it's RISM business. And just add him to the TRC. So you can add myself and as the alternative, make sure you click the correct Daniel. And now you have a full 8-member roster of the TRC from the various sections. Now let's go ahead and email this group. If you wanted to, you could just click on it, select all, click done, and there I'll show up.